Hello, and if you're watching this, you probably saw my last video. Uh, as you recognize, I already told you about these two on the last one. And I looked up, and I didn't notice I had this one reviewed, so, I'm gonna review them right now. Okay, so, move these two out of the way. You've noticed that I don't have a ticket like those guys. Because this one came with the DS game, which, strangely enough, didn't give it a, ticket to go with it. Which kinda sucks. Anyway. But what you're looking at right now is a leone counter D145 B. Yes, B like Rock Aries over there. And this is a pretty cool piece. Eh. Ow. Okay, that was a stupid idea I meant. There we go. A clear leone, which is pretty cool compared to this one. A counter, which if you kind of look at it right, it looks like a rock. Looks like rock, doesn't it? And there's D145. I'm not sure exactly what it does. I guess it just makes a low, like a high, no, wait, a low profile attack go into a defensive attack. Oop. Then ball, which I mentioned last video, gives it a pretty high balance. So I'm just gonna move these guys out of the way since I don't have a ticket to show you guys. Next I'm gonna show you guys Storm Aquario here. Not Storm. This is Aquario, which once I take them apart I'll give you a better look at the pieces. If you're wondering what that sound in the background is, it's my TV, which I'm actually going to turn down right now. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Kind of hard to take apart a beyblade with one hand, but once you figure out a few tricks, you can really get good at taking them apart. There we go. Sorry about that. Yeah, you kind of recognize Storm. That's a pretty common piece, except mine has been through so much, which I don't want to do what they say to do with normally scratched up, pretty damaged pieces, which they say to like junk them and get new pieces. But really, for this one, the scratched paint and like all the chip paint and the awesome battle looking damage makes it really look intimidating, especially when it's spinning. Then there's Rock Aquario. Not Rock Aquario. I'm sorry, I'm having a weird day today. There we go. It's a better view now. Has these little, what they look like is either fish or something. Anyway. But yeah, with the blue storm and it's spinning, it's just like a ball of blue flying at something. And there's 100, 105, which I really still don't get what's the difference between 105 and 100. And they look exactly the same, the color changes a little bit, and that's about it. So there's not much. Oh yeah, and it gives it a low profile attack, which again, not that amazing. Here's the cool part that I mainly got Storm Aquario for, is the S/F HF. which means it can go from sharp, which is like a stamina type piece. See how it kind of has a little. Wait, darn, focus. Oh, that's making it worse. See how it kind of has this little point right here? I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's there. But with a slight tug, oops, it's like rolling around on my hands. Oops. Slight tug and push in one direction turns into HF, which is whole flat, which changes it from a stamina type to an attack type pretty easily, which is a pretty unique piece, only available to Storm Aquario. And now, time for the coup de grace. And yes, that was French. And no, I have no idea what it meant. I just kind of used it to sound fancy. Well, here's the ticket. I think her name's Haku or something like that. If not, that's from Naruto then. Ticket. Doop. Now here is Earth Virgo, who is a pretty unique piece. He's a stamina type with, like in the last video you saw, for some reason has this like extremely bright orange piece called Bottom Flat BS. I know that's a weird name. But here's the cool part. GB 145, or gravity ball, which when it spins, it sends these little metal ball bearings in the thing to spin to the outer rims, thus giving it an excellent balance and almost no wobble. Uh-oh, I'm about to cough. If you're okay, no, it's passed. I'm good. Yeah, there's not really much to show. Send me a message if you want to see a certain battle, like between all my other Beyblades. Oh wait. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. I also recently traded one of my Dark Bulls away. Why? I just have 2 Dark Bulls. Now I need to find a way to get rid of my Dark Wolf. My pair of wolves. There's no way I'm trading away any of my old Dragos. So if you see anybody out of this group that you see if you want to see a battle, just send me a message about which category it is in. Like the 4th one down, 3rd in place. I need to get one more. Actually, I still have my Rock Aquario. Yeah, I still have my Rock Aquario. It's just, he's just there. Wait, if Mick has Rock Aquario, then son of a bitch. That's weird. Anyway, but yeah, if you see anybody in this little group over here, that's Earth Wolf and Rock Aquario over here. Please send me a message, and I'll be sure to make a video and send it, post it. Again, thank you for watching, and hopefully these are helping you with your Beyblade battles. And see you later.